Yeah, whoa. This shit way too easy. I can't fuck with niggas cause they way too greedy. I'll slime a nigga out, yeah, I'm way too greasy. I can never wait on another nigga to feed. I stay away from broke cause it's something like disease. Thank God I hit the south and met Lil Knees. I could tell you not slime by the way that you speakin'. She say my hair crazy, yeah, something like the weekend. These niggas looking iffy, why the hell they tryna link me? These niggas really fool, I might just sink my teeth in. Niggas do drugs, start feeling like He-Man. Put them on the news, let the whole city see him. I'll leave your little function if you don't let my team Only in. Talk to myself and my gang and Jesus. Off of 3G wood, I had came in reeking. I could tell you just rapping and really got a mean. I know niggas tryna tap me, but I am not teaching. Off of 2 RPs, got me moving like a creature. I'ma test it back if you ask for a feature. I ignore these hands, you be acting like you need them. Middleman nigga can't even buy his own visa. I ain't gon' teach myself, somebody better teach. I'ma get a Chick-fil-A cup and really drop a 3 in it.
I'm stuck in a dream, everything not what it seems. Watch the 10 down with some lean. Please keep the fake away from me. And these monkeys chasing me, won't leave my back, won't leave me. And I need it, I'm not greedy. At the top I feel free. Yeah, I got it where we need it. I know you don't need me. Smoke the gas just like air, baby, this just how I breathe. I don't care who texting me, unless we texting about some cheap. Take a second, baby, breathe. Oh, baby.